Y'all ain't see that. Anywho, guys, we are pulling up on another apartment, and I think this one has like a number to it. What is it, like Park 2300, I believe is the name of this apartment complex. And guys and gals, I believe this might be one of those sleepers. I believe this might be one of those diamond in the roughs. Let's see. I don't want to say too much too soon, but I've seen some stuff online about this particular apartment. I'm just like, hey, this might be it. Yeah, that diamond in the rough, because again, going back to location. This is right there off of Independence. I know I need to wash my car. Don't judge me. Right off of Independence. Is located by some other apartment complexes that we might get a chance to check out a little bit later on. It is somewhat gated. I don't know if these gates close at night or whatever, but you know, that's an extra layer of security. Again, if the price is right, then hey, we might again have a diamond on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go in here and let's see.
Here we have a soccer field, we have 2 pools, we have a 24-hour gym. What else? We have a dog park. You told me you have an intent, right?
No, yes, yeah.
Okay, so these buildings, everyone have to bring their trash to the dumpster, and this building mailbox are this
Okay.
right here. I think it's this one. I was going faster. I was further away. Yeah, it's here, right here.
The other building right here, okay. Actually feels a lot better over here.
The keys, oh my god. They changed our keys from 2 days ago. Wait, I think it's this. Yeah. It's this.
Right. Okay, got the living room right here. It's your carpet. Y'all know how much I love carpet. Got the little fireplace. Even a nice little balcony right here. Oh, and it has some storage. It's a storage closet. Is it okay if I open it?
If you go outside?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Of course.
Oh, sorry about that. Oh, this is nice. You got a nice little balcony. Nice little view out here. Yeah. Man, this is your storage closet right here. Store some stuff. Yeah, this is nice, man. Come out here early in the morning, get you some sunlight. Again, this is your dining room area right here. Nice little space. I do love the fact that it is an open kitchen, so you'll be able to at least conversate and talk to your people, whoever you decide to have over. Washer and dryer. Yes, yep. Washer and dryer hookups right here. Y'all know we're gonna do that combo. I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but yeah, you do the combo so you can pretty much just set that thing up over here. Dope. Right? Wash your dishes. Meal prep and everything over here. Plenty of space. Nice and open. You got that window right there. Got a little skylight. I almost didn't see that. Up here, got a closet right here. Nice little coat closet. All right, we're going back into the bathroom. There we go. All right, you got the bathroom right here. Pretty basic. Got the little shower tub combo. All right. Okay. Pretty decent size. Not too bad for the bathroom. Right here, the store. Nice little linen closet. Okay. No surprises back there. All right, and this is your bathroom, back into the hallway and into the master bedroom. Got your bedroom right here. Okay, let's see, let me see. This is gonna be the best angle for this. Let me slide over here so you guys can see this. We'll get the exact numbers. I believe this is a 750 square foot apartment. I believe that's what it was listed as. And I think it's somewhere around $1,068. The question is, it's always about like those fees and stuff. Like what fees are we gonna be looking at monthly? That's mandatory that we have to pay. No cats, no pets, no animals, nothing like that, because you know, when you start talking about that, it can be an arm and a leg. All right, well, you got a light. This is your walk-in closet right here. Got a space on each side for that. Let's see, here. All right, $1,068, I believe, is the price for this. I don't know if they have any specials like free month, like one free month or whatever, but we can, you know, hopefully get those details and stuff from the young lady. Well, yeah, let me know what you guys think. Is this it? Let me know down in the comments. What are y'all thoughts? All right. Believe we are good. Just one little swoop. All right. Okay, cool. Trash is $5.
Pest control.
Pest control is $5.95.
No, pest control is $5.
Okay, pest control is
$5.95 is a BCP program that we have, a credit plus program that we have in our property. And then the 8.25, this is for like your background check come up.
Okay, those are one-time fees.
No, this is the monthly.
Oh.
This is the monthly, just that.
Okay, so you have to pay a monthly fee for
trash, for pest control that is mandatory, for the 8.25 legal fulfillment, and for the BCP.
Okay.
That's all. That's it.
Okay, how much is it all together? Do you know?
Like 24 something.
24. Okay, $24. That's not bad. That's not bad at all.
It's really.
So those are the only monthly fees. That's it.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. That's nice. That is nice. Yeah, that's not bad at all. That's what's up. Yeah. Okay. Just the extra 25. Woo. Beautiful.
Yeah.
And you say do y'all have a fitness center?
A what?
Y'all have a fitness
I
center?
will show you right now. It's next to the listener.
Okay. All right.
Laundry area, that's the second floor.
Okay.
The laundry area is for the ones that they don't have a
Washer and dryer.
washer and dryer, but it's like any other laundry. You just go there and take your car.
Okay. Fire.
It's just like it's just like a car.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Yeah. Right. Got an extra. This is another pool. They got 2 pools, and then that's where other people take their trash and stuff too. Man, this is nice, man.
It's like to play like 6 to 6 or 5 to 5 maybe.
Yeah. Wow. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, and then is the dog park.
Dog park, yeah. Yeah, that's dope. That's crazy. Turf. Nice fire. Okay. Little back, y'all see a little area back there, nice little chill, little lounge. Got the weights, you got the free weights over here. TVs. Yeah. Goes up to you got the 45s or even the 50s. Okay. Yeah. All right. Check that. Now look at the pool area back there. You got the grill. Okay.
Not the second, the first. Yeah.
Nice.
Back there you can see the playground for the kids.
Oh yeah, y'all gotta play. Even have a playground out here. Yeah, this is dope. This is dope. Fire. See that? Even when it get hot, you got the little ceiling fans up at the top. Okay. Yeah, this is nice. Nice. Yo, what up? Man, I need to change this doggone phone. Anyway, so I'm just now leaving, is it Park 2300 or 2300 Park Apartments? And that, my friends, is definitely what we've been looking for. That diamond in the rough. Now, before I get into ranking this apartment, I want to make sure that we go through and talk about everything that we've seen. So, first and foremost, yes, the community is gated, which is definitely a plus, but I believe that she said that the gates are, like, they remain open, if I, heard her correctly. Still a gate around the community, you know what I mean? Like, gates around certain things can deter people sometimes, But that's a plus. You got a 24-hour fitness. Really? 24-hour fitness, that's a plus. You got a little business center, you need to go in there, maybe print some stuff off. That's cool. They got not one, but two pools. It did have washer and dryer hookup. I do believe that she said there are washer and dryer in some of the units. I prefer the hookup, but this is for y'all. So if this is what y'all are interested in, then just know, I think that it has hookups in any unit that you're gonna be in. But they do offer, a wash and dry unit for some of, I think, the more like upgraded ones. The one that we went to go check out, I don't think that was like an upgrade. That was more of like the cheapest of the cheapest. That's what we're looking for. $1,068. And this is the beauty about that, right? Because this is where those other apartments, like, bro, it pisses me off because they'll tack on an extra $120, $200 charges. And I'm like, yo, this is not a $1,000 apartment. It's not a $1,100 apartment. This is a $1,300 apartment. But with them, $20-something. You got pest control, you have a trash fee, and then two other fees that's maybe, I don't know, $8 and $6, and then you're paying those two $5 fees, which is again the trash and what. Anyway, that's dirt cheap. So that was another huge bonus. Now, the apartment, I love the fact that it does have carpet. It has a nice size balcony. It's not like one of them little, like they just skimped out. I feel like they did a little bit more than what was asked. 750 square feet. You can't just bat your eyes at that, because the apartments that we've been looking at, like, we talking about 500-600 square feet, and they charging an arm and a mother-loving leg, and they trying to throw out those amenities like that's helping. No. I'm looking at the apartment size, but I would say that the living room is decent. I do love the fact that it looked like it's an open concept, so you'll be able to. Y'all know I'm big about having those conversations and talking to people while you're in the kitchen, cooking it up, meal prepping or whatever. I love that. Let's see. Now, if we were to rank this thing from, let's just say, D to S tier, this would be like a B tier type of apartment that we went to go look at. Again, not renovated. This is not one of their renovated joints, because I did see some things where, it could have been touched up. The bathroom, y'all know, we looked in the inside of the sink, the paint and all those things. But again, this is more of a budget friendly, but I still think that those things can be, touched up a little bit. Hold on. About to get over. Got to put some speed to our ride, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, with that being said, going into the bathroom. The bathroom was decent, you know. The master bedroom was okay. You know, I was hoping that it was gonna kind of knock our socks off a little bit. I was hoping to see that 750 shine a little bit more in the master bedroom. Didn't quite get that. The walk-in closet, it was okay. It was decent, but again, we have to keep going back to that price. We're still looking at basically about $1,000, maybe $1,100 for a 1-bedroom in a decent location that's on near Independence. You know, you can hop right on there, get on the highway, up or down or whatever, man. You want to go to the beach, you want to go up north or whatever. You're in what I would classify as a prime location. All right, that's what I look at. Like this is what you're paying for. You're paying for all of that, all of those good things. So yeah, I would definitely put this at a B tier as far as price, location, and everything else factored into this. I think we're gonna have to right now put this in our top 5 apartments, top 5 budget-friendly apartments for Charlotte, North Carolina. Now, the young lady did say, she was like, yo, I want you to come back because I want you to tour one of our renovated apartments. This is in the process right now being renovated, but you know, it'll be ready. And as soon as it is, I'm going to let you know. Now, I didn't quite check the price because we still looking at budget friendly apartments, but I'm definitely down to check it out. Y'all let me know, is that something that you guys are going to be interested in? I don't know if it was a 3 or a 2-bedroom. I think it might have been a 3-bedroom that she was speaking about, but man, that was I would say that would be a good apartment. Not something that's going to knock your socks off, not something that's going to piss you off because of the price or anything else. I think, again, when we talking about that sweet spot, I think that apartment definitely is going to get the job done for a lot of people that are looking for that sweet spot. We ain't looking for bougie. We ain't looking for ghetto. We're looking for that in between right there. Still get your workout in, be able to lounge by the pool. It seems like a quiet neighborhood, great location. You're around a lot of you're on Independence, so you're around a lot of different things. But yeah, I would definitely put this in the top 5. Right now, we're going to put it at the number 4 slot. The number 4 slot as of right now, and today is February the 12th, 2026. Is 5:15 p.m. right now. And we're going to put that at the number 4 spot when it comes to the best budget-friendly apartments in Charlotte, North Carolina. So, let me go ahead and get up out of here. I got to go get dinner for tonight because your boy is hungry. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, all right? Until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.